How you doing, guys? I'm Sean. Welcome to Rambles with my camera. Guys, today's video. I mentioned in the last video I'm going to be changing this channel, reinventing myself, and it starts today. Well, hello guys, welcome to the channel, man. I'm going to reinvent myself. I'm going to change my style. No, I'm not. Just going to be myself, guys. I am going to reinvent myself, and as I say, I'm not going to change too much, but I do want to make changes, and that's what this video is going to be about. I'm going to be doing more vlogs. I'm going to go out and about. I'm actually going to be heading out very, very shortly. I've set myself up. I want to get out today. I'm going to take a camera with me. I don't know what I'm going to encounter. So come on, let's get out and get some photos, and who knows what I'm going to find. I'll have myself up. Take a bike with me. Guys, so basically this is just reminding people how much waste that we have in our lives. You know, we've come away, so we've become a throwaway society, and this is just a reflection of some of the things that people are just dumping, and they're talking about there's a lot of recycling centres and things like that. Well, you see, this is it. This is what's happening. We have become a society. We just want something as cheap as possible, and sure, if it breaks, rather than repairing it, we throw it away and we buy a new one. And I guess I think that's we're all guilty of it, some more than others, and I'm certainly not perfect, but what I am doing, obviously I'm recycling, but I'm also cautious of what I'm buying. This is the Botanic Gardens, by the way, in Belfast. Well, I keep wearing a helmet. I'm going to go back on it again, and I haven't got the bike locked up. So what we do is, you know, think about when you just chuck things into your bin, because in reality that has to go somewhere. Get it recycled, or buy something of better quality that's going to last you longer. If something breaks, try to repair it, and you know, waste, who's responsible? Well, every single one of us. Every single one of us. Okay guys, so it was just great to get out with the camera, and as I say, I love cycling, and Belfast is booming. I love it. It's actually a fantastic place to live, and unfortunately I didn't get many photographs taken. I've just a Grand Opera House there. A lovely, lovely building, and I seen the reflection of it on the glass as I went past. So I turned the bike around and just tried to get another angle of it. Now, basically, the weather wasn't great to take a nice photograph of it, but I'm going to use it for a future, you know, future photograph. It's a beautiful building, so if the weather got a bit better, I would go back and do it again. That's it. Cycling around the town. This is a wee subway. It's taking me over towards the Titanic Quarter. And you know, it was just good to get out, and you don't know what, that's the thing about photography, you don't know if you're going to see anything or not. I go out with the expectation that there is a great photograph waiting for me. I never got it this time, and as you can see yourself, there's so much happening in this area, and I just had to wrap it up with the dark, with the autumn nights and the, you know, the lights dropping. I didn't really get much chance in the afternoon, and it bucketed down. The rain, I got soaked to the skin. So I headed home, got myself dried, got myself a cup of coffee, and I'm going to go out next week again. It's a Sunday evening, it's about 7:20. Hopefully I'll get this video up for you for tonight within the hour. But guys, listen, thanks very much for all your love, all your support and your comments on this channel. I really appreciate it. I got a wee meeting tomorrow on Monday with a company who's going to give me a hand, to think about how to do better videos and give me more advice about using the camera gear and etc, etc. As I say, I'm going to be changing, but I'm not going to be changing that much. I just want to improve myself. And any ideas, anything you think you could do to better the channel, please let me know. Anything you can, any feedback you can give me would be fantastic. Guys, listen, send you love, have a fantastic week ahead, and watch out for this future video, and I really appreciate you being here. Thank you.